buenas tardes, everyone. How are you today? Welcome back to another mukbang. So today, what we have in the menu, as you can see, we have some McDonald's. Yummy. Today we have is the Big Mac here. Ooh. And I think they didn't put enough sauce on here, so which is fine. And they also forgot my tartar sauce, so I'm just gonna add some ranch. They gave me a whole bunch of ranch here, and also we have some chicken nuggets. So I hope you guys are smiling. I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing weekend. So let's get started. I'm super, super duper hungry. Gotta start off with the chicken nuggets here. Actually, there are things that I forgot. So in a couple months, my favorite movie Mario is coming out. And I'm a big fan of Super Mario. And I totally forgot to order the Happy Meal. I wanted to get a toy. Mmm. Gotta tore this baby down. Ketchup right here. Ketchup. So how are you guys this weekend going? Did you guys do anything special? So depending where you go, which McDonald's you go to, and they will definitely hook it up depending where you go. Your fries is nice and fresh. But I totally forgot to order my iced tea. But it's okay. I got some water here. With the cup, you guys seen this cup before. So I better get that Happy Meal right before they start going out. And I want to try a big bite of this Big Mac here. This is usually what I get, is the Big Mac. Chase it down with some fries. So I want to give a special shout out and her birthday was last Friday, so shout out to Naomi. Happy birthday, girl. Hope you had an amazing birthday and a great weekend. Sorry guys if you can hear a dog barking. That's my dog. He's outside. Actually. Oh yeah, that's so much sauce on this Big Mac here. So to all my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking my videos. And if you haven't seen my other mukbangs or vlogs that I have here in this channel, go check them out. And I hope you guys enjoy. There's so much sauce right there. Excuse me, guys. So what kind of sauce do you guys usually get for your chicken nuggets? My go-to is always going to be the ranch. Before, it used to be their tangy barbecue sauce. Sometimes I will order it, but it's rarely, because their ranch is so damn good. Alright, so I'm gonna go for this their chicken fillet. I have not had their chicken fillet yet. It's been a while, I think years, I should say. Also, I'm gonna put some ketchup on it. And give it a little kick, huh? Mmm. That's actually a really good combination. Wow. Forget about the tartar sauce. I just made up my own. Some more ranch in there. Ooh. So real soon I'm planning on buying a new camera. So right now I'm looking into it. Also, I have some barbecue sauce here from Burger King. Have you guys been watching the playoffs? I know I have. I'm rooting for them Cowboys. So the last score I just saw right now, I know they're playing right now. It was from 9-16. Mm. Excuse me, guys. Mm-mm-mm. So good, guys. Like, McDonald's is like, I don't know, but it's phenomenal, you guys. Phenomenal. The chicken fillet is nice and fresh. Like with their fries, I could just eat them like this without the ketchup. These are nice and fresh. Wow. Mm-hmm. Some more ketchup. See, I think I'm gonna dip it in here. Be a lot more easier. I usually do that. There we go. Much better. Mix up that little bit of that ranch there. Sorry, I know I'm not doing a lot of talking. I'm so hungry. Nice and crunchy. Crispy. They're they're really good. So I've been doing a lot of online shopping lately. I think I told you guys before that I'm going on a cruise ship in April. First time going on a cruise ship. Also kind of nervous about it. Hopefully I'll get the good experience. No. I'm so mad at myself because I didn't get that Happy Meal. So last night, I did a little project, not a little project, but like, so I bought this gift for my mom. And so it's been in the box for like the past year. I got it for her for Christmas last year in 2021. It took me 4 hours to build this. I'm not gonna say what it is because I'm gonna make it a surprise for my mom. For the next video, I will. Just like 4 hours to get this set up, all by myself. Not with the help of my siblings, not with the help of my friends. I mean, one of my friends was supposed to come, but she didn't. But so I had to like see the instructions and everything. It was kind of confusing as well. So but I got it. 4 hours just to get this project set up. So it was a really productive day for me yesterday. So went to work. You know, just pretty much chilled, took a nap. And one of my sisters and her fiance's friends came over. I didn't join them. I just wanted to relax and get this project going. So actually, it was pretty fun. I really enjoyed like building things. It's gonna be a big bite. So once my mom gets back from her trip, she's gonna be surprised. So I didn't eat much for lunch. I didn't eat breakfast. Only had like small pieces of sliced pizza. Because I was saving my appetite for this. Yeah, man. Man, that Big Mac was amazing. So what you guys just go to at McDonald's? So I have two favorite things at McDonald's. Obviously the Big Mac and their double quarter pounder. But there's a McDonald's I usually go for that. It's in the area where I used to live. And that McDonald's, they've been usually cooking it up. Yeah, these fries are still fresh. Wow. They're amazing. Got the last ranch here for my chicken nuggets. I was really hungry, guys. Do you guys usually have like Super Bowl parties? I know know I'm gonna have one. Usually I will have it at my house. So I was telling my friend the other day, if the Bears ever go to a Super Bowl, hopefully one year, if they ever win a Super Bowl, I told my friend we're going to Disney World. Because that's what they usually do. Once a team wins a Super Bowl, that's their next stop to celebrate at Disney World with their families. There's a lot of places I want to visit, you guys. Like, I was telling my friend, so there are so the main place she wants to go, two of them actually. She wants to go to Japan and she wants to go to Switzerland. I'm like, I'm coming with you. Like Switzerland, I want to visit. I want to visit Greece. I want to visit France, Paris, just all over Europe. I want to travel and make vlogs out of it. So, stay tuned on my channel, guys, because I'm gonna make a really, really good cruise ship vlog. And right before I go to school, in June or July, God comes first. So my mom wants to take a trip to Cancun, but I was like, let's go somewhere else. Let's go to Dominican Republic. So one of the YouTubers I watched, he went to Dominican Republic with his fiance and his mom and dad. And the hotel that he stayed at was so beautiful. So my mom loves to travel. And so I'm going to talk to her about it if we could go there instead of Cancun. Yeah, so there's a lot of places I want to travel around the world, especially in Europe. Mostly it's in Europe. Like New England, Spain, Italy. If I want to travel to Europe, I would like to go to Greece first, to be honest. Oh, I'm completely maxed out, you guys. And honestly, you could tell that I was hungry, so I think I still have a few fries here, but I should say, like, I've almost finished the meal here. In my previous mukbangs, I pretty much only ate like half of it though. But so thanks again so much, you guys, for joining me here in this mukbang, and to my new subscribers, thank you so much again. And yeah, if you haven't seen my other vlogs, go check them out. Show it to your friends and family. And thank you so much, you guys, from the bottom of my heart, for your support. Lots of more videos to come, and I'll see you guys at the next video. God bless you all, and have yourself a very nice night. Buenas noches, everyone. Bye.